Best foods to eat after exercise.
After a workout, your body needs the right nutrients for recovery and muscle growth. Choosing the best foods can help reduce muscle soreness, restore energy, and boost your fitness progress. Let's explore the most effective options to include in your post-exercise meals for optimal results.
Why post-workout nutrition matters.
Eating after exercise replenishes depleted energy stores and repairs muscle tissue. Workouts break down muscle fibers and burn glycogen, so consuming a combination of protein and carbohydrates helps speed recovery, reduce fatigue, and maximize muscle gains. The right foods can make a big difference in how you feel and perform.
Top protein sources for muscle repair.
Lean proteins are essential for rebuilding muscles. Some excellent choices include grilled chicken, turkey, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, fish like salmon or tuna, and plant-based options such as lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. Aim for about 20 to 40 grams of protein in your post-workout meal to jumpstart recovery.
The importance of carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates replenish your energy stores and assist muscle recovery. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread, as well as potatoes, sweet potatoes, fruits, and oats. Pairing carbs with protein helps maximize nutrient absorption and restored energy levels for your next workout.
Healthy fats and hydration.
Healthy fats and fluids also play a role in recovery. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provide anti-inflammatory benefits and help your body absorb nutrients. Don't forget to rehydrate with plenty of water or try low-sugar sports drinks if you've had an intense or long workout.
Simple post-exercise meal ideas.
Combine proteins, carbs, and healthy fats for balanced recovery meals. Try a grilled chicken sandwich on whole grain bread, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, or salmon with brown rice and vegetables. Simple smoothies made with protein powder, banana, and nut butter are also effective options.
Key takeaways for recovery.
After exercise, fueling your body with the right foods speeds up recovery and supports muscle growth. Focus on lean proteins, quality carbohydrates, healthy fats, and hydration. Choosing smart post-workout meals helps you get the most from your fitness efforts and feel your best.